guys, this is Mittal and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a huge clothing haul. In case you missed out my previous video, I went to the mall and I did buy a few clothes, and even after that I have bought a bunch of clothes, and that is why I thought I will make this video and show you guys what all I got. So the first place that I got the clothes from is a local shop near my house. So whenever I don't feel like going to the mall or having something in handy very quickly, I do go to this place and they have really good pieces at very affordable price, and I love shopping from there. So let's get started with that. So the first piece of clothing that I got from there is this beautiful olive green dress. It is kind of a midi dress, I would say. It's not a full length but almost to the full length. It is a beautiful olive green dress. It is a net work and it has dots, kind of. Now I wouldn't say polka dots, but it has squares and dots all over it. It has these beautiful sleeves of net, and even the neck is a v-neck with a beautiful design over here. So I absolutely love it. You saw how it fits on me. It is a beautiful choice if you are looking for something to go on a lunch or a beach outfit or even for a vacation outfit. I think this looks absolutely beautiful. Even the color is very beautiful. I did not have any such color, so I really thought that I should get this one, and I am really happy with this purchase. Okay, so the next thing that I bought is this beautiful bright orange red dress. Again, this is also a midi dress, but this is a little bit shorter than the previous one. It looks really beautiful. It has these bell sleeves and then there's the frill pattern going on at the bottom. I really like it, and obviously I do not have such a stunning color, so I thought that I should give it a try. But what I think about this is that I need a waist belt so that I can cinch everything in, just to make it look a little bit more coordinated. I want to try it out. Let's see how it works. If not, then otherwise also this dress looks absolutely beautiful on its own. So both of these dresses I got them for 700 together, so you could say 350 for each dress, which I don't think is a bad price at all. The next thing that I got is this beautiful white skirt. It's kind of a, I don't know what to call this. It's frill pattern, like I don't know, but it's kind of a cotton material and it is a beautiful plain white skirt. I've been wanting a white skirt for the longest time that I know of, and I could not find it anywhere. I've seen online and I've seen offline in stores as well, but a plain white skirt which fits me nicely and looks nice on me, I could not find it anywhere. So I finally found this. The moment I saw this, I was like, I don't care what the price is, I am getting this. So I think this was for 200 or 300, and I think for the price that it comes from, it is absolutely cute and beautiful. So yeah, that is that. The next thing that I got is again a beautiful light blue dress. It is a floral dress and I absolutely love it. It comes with spaghetti sleeves and it is a floral dress. It goes below your knees, so that is fine, and it looks absolutely beautiful and cute. I love this color, and the moment I saw it, I was like, you know what, this just speaks for me. So yeah, this is how I bought it, and I don't remember the price, but I think it would have been around 300 or 350, something like that. It's a very easy breezy dress, so you can wear it with your girlfriends when you go out on lunch dates or dinner dates or something like that, or any simple outing as well. This is the perfect dress for that. Okay, so the next two things that I got from the shop are two tops, and the first one is this beautiful lemon yellow top. It is an off-shoulder top. It has this beautiful cinched in bell sleeves with these threads to tie over, and then again over the chest area it has this rib like cinched pattern, and then it has like a wavy bottom, and it's not a full length top. It is kind of a crop top but not that crop, like um, it just like fits in until your waist. I really love it. The color is absolutely beautiful. This top looks absolutely beautiful. It looks so cute on me. I think I wore this on 1st of Jan and I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is this. The next top that I got again is this beautiful checkered top. Again, it goes in a similar pattern where the chest is ribbed and it has these pearls over it. I was really skeptical on getting it, but when I saw it, the quality is so good. It has again bell sleeves and it has this beautiful pattern on the back, crisscross, and these pearls also do not come out. I've worn this top quite a few times and the pearls do not come off. This is a really good quality top, and y'all are not gonna guess the price. Like, y'all are gonna be shocked when I tell you this top was for 150 rupees only. Like 150 only. I think this is a steal. Okay, so these were the clothes that I got from the local shop near me, and unfortunately I will not be able to link them down below for you guys, but don't worry, the next bunch of clothes that I will be showing you guys, I will be linking them down below, so don't forget to check that out. So the next bunch of clothes, most of them are from Reliance Trends and a few are here and there, but I will link them down below so you can find them. Okay, so the first two things that I'm going to show you guys are two kurtis that I got. So this is the first one. This is how it looks with these sleeves. So I really like this color. It is a really beautiful green color, but it's not like a typical dark green or light green. It's kind of like a teal green or something like that, which has a beautiful like tomato red, detailing like these yellow and tomato red patterns going on, and I really love it. This is from Reliance Trends, by the way. Both the kurtis are for Reliance Trends, and this one is really beautiful. I really like it. This is in the size XS. I wear XS in their kurtis, and it has this like buttoning and all. It's like a simple kurti, but I really like this one. So next up is this beautiful grey kurti with hot pink detailing, and yeah, it has the same thing over here like in these tassels and everything, and you can fold up the sleeves as well, and again it has these continuous like gold pattern going on. I do not have any grey kurti, so I thought that I should invest in one, and I really like this one. Looks really beautiful, and yeah, so both of them were for 499 originally, but if you buy two kurtis then you get 100 rupees off, so I got both of them for 900, which I think is a really good price. Next up are some t-shirts. Even these are from Reliance Trends. These are some basic t-shirts that I wanted to wear at home. So first up is this one. This is a grey t-shirt, and this I think this is in the size medium, and it is kind of an oversized t-shirt, but this is so comfortable. It is so soft, and I absolutely love the vibe of how this looks on me. It has written that don't forget to smile every day. So cute, and yeah, it's a basic t-shirt. Next up we have this top right here. It is a maroon top with a floral detailing on it, and it has this silver lining with a V-neck. It's a basic one. This one I think this is in the size medium again, because I felt like the small would run a little bit short lengthwise, so that is why I got a medium, and it fits me perfectly. I really like it. Super comfy and super soft to wear, so yeah. Next up is this orange, like burnt orange kind of a top, which has these beautiful like ruffled sleeves. I don't know what to call these, like flutter sleeves. I don't know what you call these, but I really like this. Unfortunately, I don't really like the material for this top, but as you can see, like it's kind of already squished or like creased up from the bottom, and now what's happening is the okay this is weird. So now what's happening is the top is tapering from the ends, and in between it is become small. It's kind of forming like a dome. So I don't really like the material, and I don't know actually how much this was for, but it's okay, like to wear at home it's fine. But yeah, it's kind of like a simple top. Next up, we have this beautiful dark green dress. It is so beautiful. It has these kind of like puff sleeves. I wouldn't call it exactly puff because the puff pattern is only till here. We kind of have these puff sleeves, and then it has this net, or I don't know what pattern this is at the bottom. It is a plain dress, but it gives such beautiful like Christmas vibes, and if you pair this up with the proper jewelry, I think this could be a really good dinner outfit or like a party outfit. If you sync all your jewelry and your makeup in, I think this is a perfect match. And I think this one was for 7.99 or 6.99, I don't really remember, but very beautiful. I love it. Next up are these blue denim shorts. These are from Lee Cooper, and I think I'm in the size 26 if I'm not wrong. I don't think it's mentioned anywhere. But I had been looking for denim shorts for the longest time I can even think for. Like, I do have shorts, but they don't really fit me that well. So in case you haven't seen my moving vlogs, I did throw a bunch of clothes away, and I just threw all my shorts away because none of them fitted me well on the waist. But this one fits me perfectly. I still prefer to wear a belt just in case, if it gets a little bit loose from the back when you bend down, but otherwise these fit me perfectly. These are these, kind of like the acid wash and ripped pattern, not completely, but kind of try to inculcate that pattern, and it folds up on the bottom. I really love these jeans, love the quality, and love this purchase. Next up is this beautiful lilac top that I got. I am absolutely in love with the vibe of this color. I do not have this color in my closet, and the moment I saw this, I was like, I need to get this. So I think they have this in two colors. One is a bright red, and then one was this lilac color, and this just had my heart. This is in the size medium. So this, I think it is supposed to be like a short top, but I don't want to go with small because I felt like that would be way too short and like body fit to me. So I really went with a medium, so it could have a little bit of a loose fit and a little bit increase in the length. It has these kind of like ruffle or flutter sleeves, and it has this ribbed pattern going on with these polka dots, and I absolutely love how this top looks on me. Next up is again this, I don't know what to even call this color, like a pastel blue, I would say. I don't know, it kind of has like hints of purple also, but this is beautiful like net top. So it has a round neck, and then it's like a kind of a tank top pattern, and it has net all over. The back has kind of this, button thing, and then it has this hole to go. It looks really beautiful. It's a beautiful party outfit. The front again has this net pattern going on, and it's such a beautiful color. I love the color, and that is why I picked this. This time I was like, you know what, I just don't want my basic colors like grey, black. I wanted to explore more different colors and colors that I have never tried, and that is why you can see like olive green, like orange red, these lilac, and this blue. So I really love the way that, I've picked these colors. So yeah, this is like a very beautiful top, and I think this was at 50% off. So this is from Fab Alley, and the original price is 1600 but was at 50% off, so I got it for 800, which I think is a really good purchase. Okay, so the last one is this. This is a kind of a sweater pattern going on. So this I've noticed that is trending a lot right now. Like I've gone to a lot of shops and I found these, like, you know, these sweater material, not exactly woolen because it's not even that thing. Like it's kind of see-through, but this material has been going on for quite a while and I really wanted some, so I finally found this color and this design which I absolutely fell in love with. I love this color. I love how the pattern is. It has mid sleeves, you know, with this like ribbed pattern at the end. Here it has these net pattern, and again at the bottom it kind of has these ribbed pattern. It kind of looks similar to a sweatshirt, but it is not a sweatshirt. It is a sweater like kind of material, and this is the size small, and I feel like this is kind of, I wouldn't say oversized, but it's not like body hugging, and I really like the vibe of this top and how it looks on me. You could definitely, if I wanted something that would fit me to the T, then I would go for extra small, but I feel like this is good enough because I feel like sometimes when you wash your clothes they do shrink a little bit, and I was scared for this to shrink, and that is why I bought a small, because I don't mind it being bulky on the top, but I don't want it to be shorter lengthwise, and that is why I went for a small. Really like this one. This one was for $7.99, and I think it's a really good purchase. So yeah. So yeah, that is it for the clothing haul. I hope you guys liked it. I know I did shop a lot, and that is because I had not shopped for western clothing for almost 1.5 to 2 years. It is because I wear kurti and leggings to college, which is our dress code, so I don't really get to wear western clothing as much as I would love to. So I refrained from buying clothes for quite a while, but this year I was like, you know what, I just need some basics. I need some good pieces in case I want to go out, and so I bought these, and now my mom is like, Baskar, now don't buy anything. So I think this is going to be it from my side for at least a few months or a few years now. Let's see. But I hope you guys like this, and comment down below which your favorite one was. And also I will be linking as many pieces I can in the description, so don't forget to check that out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.